Are you looking for a house that's tucked away in the country? Well, 3295 Meadows Road is the house for you. Let's take a look. This house is a little over 4,900 square feet and features 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, 1 office and a den. This kitchen has a countertop stove, double sinks, plenty of room for cabinet and counter space. It looks right into the living room, so it's perfect for entertaining. The kitchen opens up into the living room, which has plenty of natural light and a real wood-burning fireplace. The primary bedroom is on the first floor, away from all the other bedrooms. It features a large walk-in closet, a big bathroom with double vanities, a soaking tub, and plenty of room for storage. On the second floor, we have the rest of the 3 bedrooms and the 4 bathrooms. It also features a large bonus room and an office. The second floor features oversized bedrooms, each with their own walk-in closet and large bathroom. Here we are in the bonus room, which features a big chalk wall that's perfect for game night or fun activities. The property sits on over 9 acres. It has a partial chain link fence, a barn, and plenty of room and privacy with no backyard neighbors. Thank you for touring my listing. If you have any questions about this listing or any others with Tennessee's Elite, please feel free to give us a call.